This is the final video to solve DHCP Server Unavailable and no internet access in Windows 11. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve DHCP Server Unavailable and no internet access in Windows 11, and I'm going to share them with you. First, we'll address the network adapter driver, which is crucial because outdated or corrupted drivers prevent your system from properly communicating with the DHCP server to obtain an IP address, leading to the unavailable error. Updating or reinstalling this driver forces a fresh connection. Next, we examine the TCP/IP stack reset. This process effectively clears out any residual network configurations or corrupt data that might be interfering with the DHCP client service's ability to function correctly, allowing it to re-establish proper network parameters. Following that, we will investigate the Winsock catalog reset. Winsock or Windows Sockets API is responsible for network application communication. Resetting it clears any misconfigurations or corruption within the network protocol stack that could prevent the DHCP client from interacting with the network services. Finally, we will look at ensuring the DHCP client service is running and configured correctly. This service is the direct mechanism Windows uses to request and obtain an IP address from a DHCP server. If it's stopped or misconfigured, the connection will fail.